Welcome to in front of me Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So now I'll show you the currently fingerprint sensor animation, and now I'll should go to the settings application, then just tap here on the passwords and biometrics, and here we got the fingerprint. Tap there, drop here your unlock button. And here, as can you see, we got the fingerprint animation. Tap there. Now we got this one, and here you can change your animation to one of these available animations. For example, we can go with this one, and now just go here back and we'll check if our animation has changed. Yes, can you see, our fingerprint animation has changed successfully. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.